Hey guys, Tech Doc here. Today I'll show you how to cast your mobile screen directly to your PC. No third-party apps needed. On your PC, click the search bar and type System. Open it. Scroll down and click Projecting to this PC. Now, the first time you use this, you'll see options like this. Click on Optional Features. After that, click on Add a Feature. After that, click on Wireless Display and install it. Once installed, change the first option to Available Everywhere and launch it. Now, your PC is ready to receive your phone screen. On your mobile, open Settings, go to More Connections, then Cast. Enable Wireless Display, and you'll see your PC's name appear. Tap it, and boom! Your phone screen is now mirrored on your computer, as this part of video is recorded using this feature. That's how simple it is. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick tech tutorials.